Ma'am, I am Himanshu Sanadia with my partner Rohit Patak and Branshu Gupta, and we are here to present our presentation on the topic policy formulation and implementation. Next slide. What is policy? Formulation of policy consists of policymakers discussing and suggesting approaches to correcting problems that have been raised as part of the agenda. Sometimes it is necessary to choose from among multiple potential paths forward. The issue of traffic safety has been solved by various policies throughout time. Next slide. Policy is a law, regulation, procedure, administrative action, incentive, or voluntary practice of governments and other institutions. Policy decisions are frequently reflected in resource allocation. Health can be influenced by policies in many different sectors. Process of education policy formation. First, determination the national objective. Second, need assessment according to objective. Third, finalization of themes and target areas. Fourth, target setting based on trend projection. Fifth, preparation and publication of policy. Next slide, please. Determination the national objectives. First, education policy usually designed for national objectives. Second, education policy is formed by government officials. Third, educational policy always formed for betterment of society. Policy is applied in society, so it's based on social context. Next slide will be explained by Pranshu Gupta.
Need assessment according to objective. First one, firstly, policymaker identify the specific need on which policy is formulated. This need should fulfill the national objective. Second one, policymakers use strategies for the assessment of need on which policy is formulated. Next slide, please. Finalization of theme and target areas. First one, after identifying the specific need according to national objective. Second, policymaker confront many themes. Third, out of these themes, policymakers finalize the specific theme. Fourth, finally the policymaker set the target of policy formulation. Next slide, please. Target based on trend projection. First one, policymaker choose the target area where this target setting is implemented in coming year or not. Second, policymaker set the target area in a way it is implemented in future. Third, policymaker check the reliability of the policy for future times. Will policy continue? Next slide, please. Preparation and publication of policy. So, preparation and publication of policy is the last process of policy formulation process. In this, the policy maker have to prepare the policy that is ready for the publication in public. Next slide, please. Next slide will be continued by Rohit Patak.
Policy implementation is the third stage of policy cycle. It's mean stage of the policy process immediately after the passage of laws or the action that will be taken to put the law into effect or that the problem will be solved. Next slide. Approaches to implementation. Number one is structure approach. Require choosing the appropriate organization form for accomplishing the task. Number two, procedural and managerial approach. Develop appropriate processes and procedure for managing and implementing programs. It includes network planning and control (NCP), the use program evaluation and review technique, and long-term analysis. Number three, behavior approach. So this acceptability and consumers building required in implementing policies view with conflicting lenses by various stakeholders. It includes stick analysis, management by objectives, and organizational development. Number four, political approach. Anticipate political obstacles and take them the formulation of objectives and selection of options. Next slide. Uses of policy implementation. Number one, information. To make people aware of the policy or program. Number 2, inducement, to make it easier for people to adopt new behavior. Number 3 is enforcement, to require people to adopt new behavior under threat of penalties. Number 4 is benefaction, to offer positive benefits or incentive to people who change their behavior in the desired direction. Next slide. Thank you.